What's up, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher freezing at startup on PC. This issue usually happens when you double-click the Rockstar Games Launcher, it opens, and then just freezes. Nothing else happens. Luckily, there's a very simple fix. First, open this PC and go to your Documents folder. Inside Documents, look for a folder called Rockstar Games. Once you find it, delete the entire Rockstar Games folder. After deleting it, try launching the Rockstar Games Launcher again. You can either open it directly or reinstall the launcher if needed. Important note about OneDrive. If you don't see the Rockstar Games folder inside Documents, OneDrive may be the reason. On Windows, Documents is often synced with OneDrive. Make sure OneDrive is enabled and signed in, or locate your Documents folder inside OneDrive. Once you find the Rockstar Games folder there, delete it the same way. This folder is usually where corrupted launcher data is stored, which is why deleting it fixes the freezing issue. After that, launch the Rockstar Games Launcher again and it should open normally without freezing. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.